Hi, my name is Semih Sueri. I am US Area Manager of SAR Arms USA. I would like to give you some information regarding my polymer frame, double action, 16+1 SAR CM9. It comes in all different colors, earth color, green color, anything you like, even a pink color for the ladies, Valentine's Day gift. So I would like to give you some demonstration of this beautiful gun right now. Simple enough.
Is this gun available in the US?
It is available in US.
And do you have the price for the US?
I will give you those prices online or tomorrow at the SHOT Show.
Thank you.
Welcome to Media Day.